Today we'll learn how to do paper embroidery. We will learn all these stitches. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. Cutter, needle threader, 12 calendar pages, and a hole pricking sheet. Let's begin. Place the hole pricking sheet under your calendar page and gently prick the holes. ये step बहुत important है. It guides your stitches perfectly. Let's thread the needle. Insert the needle threader through the needle. Put the thread inside the threader's loop and gently pull it back. For back stitch, start from the back. Bring the needle up. Make one small stitch forward. Then, bring the needle up again from a point behind the last stitch. That's why it's called back stitch. Simple, clean, and perfect for outlines. Stem stitch, bring the needle up, make a small stitch forward, and bring the needle back up from the middle of your previous stitch. ये stitch बहुत smooth लगता है, perfect for curves. Chain stitch looks like tiny loops linked together. Bring the needle up, insert the needle close to where you came up, and bring it out a little ahead, catching the loop under the needle. Pull gently to form a chain. बहुत ही cute लगता है for borders. Pistol stitch. Bring the needle up, wrap the thread around the needle twice, hold the wraps tight, and insert the needle a little ahead. It creates a beautiful long knot. Perfect for dots and accents. To tie a knot behind, make a small loop at the back. Pass the needle through it and pull. Satin stitch is used to fill shapes. Bring the needle up on one side of the shape and make long straight stitches across side to side until the space is filled. Lazy daisy, bring the needle up, make a small loop, and anchor the tip of the loop with a tiny stitch. Perfect for cute little petals and leaves. Woven wheel makes pretty, round flowers. We'll start with 3 straight stitches in a star shape. Then weave the thread over and under these spokes, without piercing the paper again. And lock at the end of the flower. It's full and fluffy. For heart stitch, make a straight stitch in the middle and then go over in cross like this to form a heart shape. French knots are tiny textured dots. Bring the needle up, wrap the thread around the needle, hold the tension tight, and insert the needle close to where you came up. Slowly pull, and you'll get a perfect little knot. Thoda practice chahiye, but it looks beautiful. Fern stitch, bring the needle up, insert it a little to the side to form a loose loop. Then bring the needle down at the base to anchor that loop with a small straight stitch. It creates a neat V or tiny leaf shape. Continue to do so till the end like this, and you are done. And that's it. Your first steps into paper embroidery are done. Happy stitching!